Go, Caroline. Do it. Do it. Watch out. No, don't cry. Go, Caroline. Whoa. Whoa. Watch out for your sister. Go, Caroline. Go. Go. Do it, Caroline. Do it. Yay. James, good boy. You guys are doing
Number
good.
I didn't turn that thing down.
Yeah.
That's good. Why did you?
Uh-oh, you got the hose. Caroline, no. James, put it down. James, she's learning from you. Put it down. Caroline.
Good job, Hannah. One more jump for us, Hannah. Come on.
No,
Uh-oh. Caroline's going to carry it to us.
You're getting soaked.
Mush.
Mush. No, James got to turn it down for us.
Mush. Don't come any further.
Okay, I will do it.
There you go. Yay. Put it down.
Good boy.
Up. All gone.
Oh, God.
Don't,
Oh,
James.
Turn it off. Turn it off. Turn it off, James.
Look it
Okay, just turn it off all the way.
up. Just did
All
it.
the way. Keep turning it until you can't turn it anymore.
No, like.
Good job. You did good. Good job, kids.
Hannah.
Hannah, can you go down the slide now? Let's see Hannah go down the slide. Go, Hannah, go.
Look at Caroline. She's playing in the water.
Yeah. James. Turn. No, don't you do that. Turn it down.
Sorry.
She didn't like that. Don't do that. Get away from it.
James,
Get away from it.
James, you know what you should do? You should put it next to the slide and let the water spray up on the slide, and you guys go down the slide through it.
Okay. So I turn it off. Hannah. Are you?
No, not at the bottom. Put it on the side. Put it on the side. Don't put it on the bottom. Put it at the side.
Right up.
Right there.
Right about there. No, go back to, no, go the other way more.
Towards the wall. Towards the wall.
Towards the ball.
Right there. Right there. Good. Drop it. I think that's okay.
Hannah, don't go down the slide with Caroline right there. Okay.
Is that hitting it?
I don't know.
That's enough. James, go down it. Watch out, Caroline.
They're getting the sandbox all wet. Is it faster now? Oh, such learned behavior.
I think that's good, Bobby. You can turn it off now.
Chip!
Go turn it off. Go turn it off. Turn it off, buddy.
Okay, one more slide.
Two more slides.
Mushy.
100 more slides. Yeah, 2 more slides.
She's just getting herself soaked. Are you in the sprinkler? Oh, James. All right, I think it's time to turn it off now.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mush is getting real wet. Hey, Mush, how wet are you? Mush, how wet are you? How wet are you? Look at how...
How about the pool? Pool is better.
Hey, what are you doing?